Hello everyone, welcome to day 51. I hope I updated that. Yeah, I think I updated it. 51 of crypto trading. I'm still sick, but we still trade the crypto because the crypto market is open 24/7. And because it's open 24/7, we get these nice little drops like we got over here. Well, it's not really that nice. A lot of liquidations happened due to this big old drop that we have here. We have some fundamentals behind this, kind of. It's just mainly market manipulation. Bitcoin is down 6%. It's at 59,032. It did reach a low of 57,779 just instantly like that, right? So things you got to pay attention to in the crypto market. It started at the fourth hour over here and just immediately dipped all the way down, came back up, closed over here, dipping a little bit more, but I think we found close to a floor. We did bounce off close to this Fibonacci level that I have drawn out over here at 58,000 approximately. And, well, I guess now we have to go break the 60,000 once again, unfortunately. So that's all right. Some buying opportunities some people may have encountered. That's why you don't play with too much leverage either, because you never know. Things like this can happen, and a down spike like that can just instantly take you out, as it has done with many whales in the market. I don't know my voice. Yeah, my voice sounds terrible, doesn't it? Ethereum is down a whopping 9% today. $2,440. It reached 2,388, a lowest point. Yeah, like it hasn't even gone up that much either, and it's already down this much again, which is just not great for Ethereum. A lot of selling going on in Ethereum. I have some news for that as well, which we'll get into. Anyways, rest of the market is also down a lot of percents. Ton is actually up 1.40%, but still compared to that big drop that we had over here, it's still low, and it's comparing this current low to yesterday's low, which was a lot lower. So that's why it's technically considered above. Not really though. Still down, still very down. Toncoin, of course, being the one that suffered the most due to Telegram CEO Pavel Durov being arrested in France. More news on that. The lore just deepens every time, every day. I unfortunately did not take advantage of this up movement to sell my positions here. Could have made some profits and then rebought those same positions, buying at the blue lines that I have drawn over here from the Fibonacci. So yeah, we're currently in this range, I would suppose, for a while. If we do dip lower, I don't think we'll drop as low as where we were here in fears of recession at $4.71. We're currently at $5.34 in Toncoin. Give me 1 second. Check my phone. Alright, shut up. Cool. Alright. What's next? So today we're going to be doing some backtesting, of course, because there's just too much fundamentals. I'm not going to be operating the market, even if it was just normal day. Like, this kind of drop is due to something. So we'll go and explain that. I'll go into the news, but we will be doing some backtesting on Solana. Solana, just a brief overview, is down 7% today due to this drop. Currently at $145, $146. And, I mean, yeah, not too bad either, right? Considering we were at a much higher level before. At 162 was the highest point. This is a pretty decent buying opportunity as well. I think I might be able to enter an order here, at least on my main account, to DCA a little bit, because we have found this area as a bit of a... Oh, I have a trade over here. As a bit of a support zone, right? So definitely can be reused again in the future. So I'll have a look at that. I wonder if you guys can hear that notification, but whatever. Okay. So let's get into the news. I'm blanking out here. Apparently, Pavel Durov was supposed to have dinner with the French president, Macron, on that night of his arrest. So he was technically lured into Paris. He's basically getting set up, right? That's a bit suspicious, like, and he did him dirty for doing that, right? They're saying that he was lured into France by President Macron. Turns out he invited him to dine together. Pavel told this during the interrogation by the police. That's what he's saying. We don't know if that's actually true. But of course, instead of that, he was met with the local police. Macron did not confirm this yet, but yeah, this is quite in the spirit of the French president, says a politician, Florian Philippot. Which, I mean, yeah, like doing poor Pavel like that, dirty, not cool from the French authorities. On top of that, there's some reports that the United Arab Emirates government is freezing billions of dollars worth of contracts with France for the purchase of 80 fighter jets due to the recent arrest of Telegram CEO Pavel Durov. So Pavel is actually, I think, dual citizen in Russia and United Arab Emirates, right? So he has both of those governments trying to protect him, trying to tell him, hey, give him access to our country's embassies in France so that he could try to combat this, right? They're demanding consular access to Pavel Durov, right? Telegram's CEO. So that's Russia and United Arab Emirates asking France to treat Pavel fairly, which it's kind of cool to have two countries just completely backing you up, right? When you're trapped in France, you get arrested. So that's very neat. Good to see. As of right now, no further updates for Pavel. Here's something awesome. You want to know where your tax money is going? US government sent $239 million to Taliban. I think this is like probably the second time they've done this. I'm pretty sure I heard this similar kind of news before. I don't know if it was exactly the Taliban, but they sent a lot of money. And yeah, mistakenly, right? We can't trust these guys, man. I don't know if Biden is just blindly clicking buttons and accidentally sending money to other people. Anyways, just a reminder as well, Kamala Trump debate on ABC will be September 10th. Kamala is scared to debate on Fox, and she has not replied about this other irrelevant telebroadcasting company that she was supposed to debate on a couple days after. But Trump said, hey, those dates are still open just in case she changes her mind, because he wants to debate her 3 times. She only accepted one, of course, with ABC. Trump, of course, being outraged against ABC, calling them fake news, etc. You got that kind of news going on. Man, I really do sound terrible. Okay. Here's another flip-flop from Kamala taking policies from Trump. She's promising now to build a wall on the southern border, a project she once opposed and called un-American during the Trump administration. You can see her putting this tweet out saying, Trump's border wall is just a stupid use of money. I will block any funding for it. She said that back in 2017. And of course now she needs policies, so she just copies Trump's policies. She's flip-flopping on the building of the border wall. There you have it, guys. Here's some good news. This is a powerful team, and there's even an image right here below. All of these people working under Trump, like, I'm actually so enthusiastic to see this in play in American politics. He named Robert F. Kennedy and Mrs. Tulsi Gabbard to his presidential transition team. Those people are powerful, like really good expectations if all these guys get in office. Of course, with Vivek in there, Elon Musk, J.D. Vance, good vice president, and the lady, I think this is the vice president from RFK Jr.'s party. So yeah, that'll be really cool to see. And here's just more confirmation of that. He's making, what does this mean basically? So Trump is making it clear he is not making the same mistakes as last time. One of his biggest criticisms was that he did not surround himself with the right people. Now he is surrounding himself with the right people, picking anti-deep state champions. So yeah, he's absolutely ready. Honestly, I really want this whole team to win. I have such positive outlooks on all of those people. That would be really good to see. On the other hand, Kamala's team, not that great. Come on, guys, right? At least that's what I think. Here's the Ethereum news I want to cover. Let's have a look at Ethereum again. So, like I said, down a good old 9% from 2000. We did reach 2,800 at least, but still not close enough to the 3,000 mark. Ethereum should be above 3,000. But ever since, okay, they announced ETFs, sure, we get a boom upwards. And then ETFs go live, and Ethereum just constant dropping. And that's all due to this Grayscale company. Grayscale right here, you see in red in this whole column right over here, they've just been doing outflows every single day. Well, except for maybe one day or two. But like, it's just they're outselling everybody else that is buying all the other ETFs. And the other ETFs are not buying that much. It raises the concern that there's not that much demand for Ethereum ETFs compared to Bitcoin ETFs, right? Because if we compare this to Bitcoin ETFs, it's mainly inflows and a lot of it, and not that many outflows. Well, at least compared to what Ethereum is doing, there's more ETFs buying Bitcoin rather than Ethereum. Of course, Grayscale is just constantly selling both Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's kind of like a race between those two. Of course, BlackRock is in the lead from all of this. They are the ones that are most accumulating, which short term, that is a great thing. BlackRock is kind of like saving the market from dropping too hard, right? Because they're always inputting millions of dollars a day. 34 million, 157 million, 13, 224 million just yesterday, actually. That's a huge number. And, you know, still Bitcoin is just pretty low, right? We're currently 50K, under 60K, 58,000, right? 900. 59,000, whatever. We're around that zone, basically. So, yeah, it's just, of course, main fault is Grayscale. BlackRock buying short-term is a good thing, but long-term, it's not really a good thing because these guys have so much Bitcoin, or they will have that so much Bitcoin by the time the next couple of years roll around, that they will now have the power to manipulate the market. And I'm not sure what is causing this drop. There's no real fundamentals behind this other than market manipulation, right? There could be ETFs just saying, hey, let's all just sell, get the retail dudes out of here, and let's inflow as much as we can. As you can see, BlackRock did kind of buy a lot here. We'll see what today's reports are after they are posted, so we got to check that by tomorrow. We'll get that kind of information. But as of right now, it's clearly just market manipulation. Whales are just selling. Right now, they liquidated $110 million just like that in 60 minutes on that big drop right over here for most of the coins, right? Although there's still reasons to be bullish, reasons why everything should continue to go up. Let's talk about that. The price of gold has made an all-time high since 2011. We already know that. We've checked gold a couple times. Price of gold's 2,520. This is all-time high levels, right, in history. Right? We've never seen gold at this high since 2011. They said, I don't think I have that historical data. Oh, wait, I do. 2011, they said. Okay, yeah, so that's from here, right? Gold is still higher than that. So there you have that. Bitcoin usually follows gold after a few months, right? The dollar index is weakening. Dollar index, if you don't know, is just measuring how strong the US dollar is. The stronger the US dollar, the weaker every other asset, right? As it was in 2022 when Bitcoin was in crypto winter. And then, of course, it's currently on its way toward the downside, which means the US dollar is getting weaker. So things that oppose the US dollar, like any stock or any other Forex pair or crypto itself, increases in value compared to the US dollar since the US dollar loses its power. That's basically what that means. US elections historically do have a bullish effect on the market, right? We're mainly hoping that Trump will win. That's what the crypto market expects because of his policies that he will implement to help all of us. The global money supply starts flowing. We already measured that before. A lot of liquidity could be coming into the market. Rate cuts are happening in September. That's pretty much confirmed. Jerome Powell did say that. He mentioned the key phrase, I think it's time for a policy change. He said that at Jackson Hole meeting, whatever it is. And that's just bullish, right? Rate cuts gets more money flowing into the markets and everything will rise up in price. Although we did benefit from that. Bitcoin did increase right over here when that happened. I think that was 23rd of August. Yes, that was the Friday. So this God candle we got over here was because of that announcement. But now all of that has been, taken out already. Anyways, we just have to figure out whether it's 50 base points of a rate cut or 25. It's still to be decided. And the market is waiting for that, so we don't know for sure. We do know that Bitcoin has been consolidating for 6 months. It's due for a long breakout very soon. Of course, they say the longer the consolidation period, the bigger the breakout, the more explosive the price will get, right? So, you know, many people are for sure embracing for this. They're saying this is the last chance to bag your favorite altcoins because Q4 of this year and 2025 will be the continuation of this bull run, and it's going to be huge. That's what they're all estimating at this time. Another thing that's good news is Russia. Well, I don't know if this is good news or not, but Russia and its BRICS countries are using cryptocurrency. They will start using cryptocurrency next week, September 1st, for international transactions. They're testing crypto payments as a way to break away from Western sanctions, right? That way they don't have to use the US dollar in their, you know, trading goods and services between countries. And a lot of countries are joining into this group of countries, BRICS, right? So that'll be decent. And in terms of other markets, well, we have the stock market. We have Nvidia that will be having their earnings. They will give us their report tomorrow evening after hours. And everybody's got their eyes on that because, I mean, if their bad report, price of Nvidia goes down, everybody gets scared, and a huge sell-off will happen after market hours, which sucks with stocks. And the next day after that will be a disaster. But if it's good, things will continue going upwards, and Nancy Pelosi will be richer. That's basically all you have to know. I mean, so far they're saying, I'm not reading all this, but they're saying that they have had high ratings, right, over the last 8 quarters. So maybe the expectations might be a little too high. Things like that, right? Anyways, we don't really care about Nvidia, do we? We're looking at Solana today. I'm in the weekly chart. We did not flip bearish yet. This is one thing I want to look at in the super trend. We did not flip bearish quite yet, but we are very close, right? Other assets like Bitcoin has already flipped bearish on the super trend. So it's a little scary for Solana. We might see a continuation of the down movement unless we get some good fundamentals, some better fundamentals, because still things are decent. This is just, you know, a big blip that's happening in the market, and Telegram CEO arrest also definitely has an impact on the market in general because of Toncoin. All right, let's do the backtesting. So what do I have here for you guys? I've prepared this chart continuation. We will continue to be using the 1-to-2 risk reward ratio on Solana, and I will be confirming if 1-to-3 could work, just to see the difference between the two, because I like to see that at the end of things. So we're keeping the 9 to 13 o'clock just to not make it too long. And yeah, that's all you need to know. Same stuff as before. $10,000 is what we're starting off with, and let's just get into the backtesting without further ado. I don't know how far back we'll have to go, so we shall return in time to wherever this allows us to go back into. Cool. All right. This is it? Okay, this is it. And this is July 21. This is already after hours, so we're saying July 22 is where we would start, 9 a.m. right over here. Okay, so we're starting here, July 22. I will write this down. Start date 7/22. There we go. Let's go to the 1 hour chart and also find July 22. Because this is where we find our general market trends. So let's go here, 9 a.m., 21st of July. Here we are, and we are in an uptrend this morning. We stay in an uptrend. I need my big flat line, vertical line, until pretty much the whole day. 14 o'clock doesn't count. 13 o'clock is where we last do our trades. So we're in an uptrend for the whole market, starting at 9 a.m. So let's go to 9 a.m., which is right here. Market is already well, not was already bullish here, and then it makes its down swing, which is perfect for us. We need to wait for a movement that goes against the trend, and we make our entry after that swing, which happens right over here. On this, no, not this one. This green candle. Really? Not this one? Nope. Alright, so we're entering on this candle. Using our stop loss down here. I need my calculator to calculate. We're still using the 500 ticks. Oh man, is it 500? I feel like it... Okay. Hold on, was it 500 or 5,000? No. It was 500 ticks from the last swing. Okay. So this would be 34,100, right? That's where this would be. I also have to get the calculator. Times 2 is this for our take profit. Does that look right? No. I have a feeling that this should be different depending on the asset. What if I increase 5 ticks from this instead? So this would be, instead of 33,000, it would have to be 38,000. Yeah, that looks a lot better. Maybe it's different compared to every asset. Like for Ethereum, 500 ticks was perfectly fine, but for Solana, I think we're going to have to use 5,000 ticks behind the last swing if we want this to work out. So I'm probably going to have to update that in my rules and keep that in mind as well for other stuff. Anyways, this increases to 7.7, whatever. Let's see how this goes. I'm hoping great for our first trade. Dangerous and hits the stop loss here. Unfortunately, what time is this? Midnight. Oh, okay, so this trade lasted the whole day. Now my question is, what if this was... Okay, I think I said this would be 341, I think. Yeah, no, it wouldn't have had an impact. Okay, 5,000 ticks is fine. We'll go with that for now. This is when Solana was 183. Remember that? That was crazy. Okay, I have to write this down anyway. We entered at... What time is this? 11:45. Am I in the right charts? 5 minutes, 1 hour. Yes, I am. Weekday. Well, what was 22nd of July? I'm gonna pull up a calendar real quick. July calendar. I have this. Yes. And I'll minimize this on my right side over here. Just so that I can, you know, not have to click on an actual calendar every time, because that stuff is annoying. Where would I put this? Here? Or can I reduce the size because it's too large? Right, now I'm clicking stuff on my OBS by accident. Oh, I can resize it. Okay. Yeah, this is good. I'll put this here. I can't see my chat, but it's okay. Nobody chats here anyway. Cool. So, 22nd of July. That is Monday. Take profit or stop loss. There's a stop loss. We lost 1%. 1 to 3 would have worked. Not applicable. You guys can't see my Excel. Next day. How about we go there? So, 22nd of July now. 9 a.m. Starts off bullish, but goes into neutral territory. And yeah, this day is over without any actual entry, so I will not enter here. 23rd of July, 9 a.m. Starts bearish. 10 a.m. is not good. So let's go check 9 a.m. first on July 23. Was I on the wrong date? July 22. Are you serious? Hold on, I'm confused. What did I just enter? Where's this calendar thing? July 22. July 22, that's good. And what was here? July 21. I might have been looking at the wrong dates. Hold on. July 22. 7, 8, 9. Okay, I think I entered this wrong. Completely wrong. Because I was looking at the 21st for my trend. This should not have happened then. 21 there was no entry. Oh no, 21 there was supposed to be an entry, but I entered at 22 for some reason, and I don't have 21 over here. Well, 9 a.m. 21 is what I mean. So, okay, that trade should not have happened. That's all I'm gonna... Just reset that. Okay, my bad, my bad. Okay, we'll continue here. So, 22 is empty, 23 starts bearish, and then it goes upward. So let's go to 23. 23 over here. 9 a.m. starts here. Wait for a downtrend, which we get over here. We have a downtrend. So entry, short, here. Stop loss would be above this level. There should be 5,000 ticks instead. Okay, I think I figured that out by now. Copy this. By 2 is this for a profit level. And this one has a stop loss. Okay, we have to write that down. I'll show you my Excel while I write this. This one was opened at 9:35. So I unfortunately had to undo the first trade because that just did not count. 23rd of July, that is a Tuesday. This is -1, not applicable. Next. Okay. What happens here? It's already 10 a.m. 10 is not valid. 12 is valid until 13 o'clock. Let's go to 12, right over here. See if we get any short positions. It's already starting off that way. Would this be not quite a valid cross, is it? This is at 11. What happens at 11? 11 goes down here. No, but we're not allowed to enter at 11. 12, maybe. But there's no entry here. We get an upswing over here, but it's already 14 o'clock. Okay, no, the day is over. Move on to the next day. We're going to be 24th of July, 9 a.m. We got a big upswings over here. So we would be looking for longs. Let's go over here. 9 a.m. We get an upswing right here. So that's where we enter long. Put this down here. 5,000 ticks. It's 24. Copy. Paste. Times 2. There is your profit. And this one hits nothing. Still almost hits a take profit twice there. It's going to hit a stop. It's going to hit a stop. Wow, okay. That's unfortunate. We got to write it down still. So let's write it down. Here we go. Opened at 9:25. 9:25? Yeah, 9:25. This was a... What day was this? 24, and the 24th was a Wednesday. Oh, I didn't write wed. -1, unfortunately, but that was a scam. Okay. Back to the charts. Here we go. Let's continue. What time does this end? 17, the day is over. Okay, let's go 9 a.m. the next day, which is right here. We're going bearish until only 9 o'clock. I think that's just an uptrend in general, and the day is over. If we don't find an entry at 9 o'clock, we just don't enter at all. This is 25th of July. I'm already on 26th somehow. I'm messing up my dates. Here's 9. So we look for a downswing, which we get over here. What time is it though? It's 10, and 10 does not count because 10 is up here. So that does not count. Next day, because the rest of this day is over. 9 a.m. 26th of July. Let's go 25, 26, 9 a.m. Okay, what do we have? Uptrend for the whole day. So we look for longs. We get a long entry over here. So let's do long position here. Stop loss below this level. 5,000. What am I doing? I accidentally clipped something. Okay. 7 multiplied by 2 is 55,000. There's our profit level. Let's see how this plays out. It's going good so far. And this one hits a take profit. Our first take profit at last. Now, would a 1 to 3 have worked? Oh, that's dangerous movement. 1 to 3. Yes, it would have. Would have worked over here. What time does this one end, though? I think our 1 to 2 ends at here. It's 3 a.m. on the next day. And then this is 9:40 on that same next day. So it would have still worked. I'm going to write it down on our Excel. Entered at, what time did we enter this? 9:35. And this is 26th of July. So that's Friday. 9:25. Friday. 2%. 1 to 3 would have worked. Next. Can I reduce my OBS? I can. Okay. Just that I could put my calendar here better. You guys can see what I'm looking at. This is off screen. Okay. Alright, let's go back. Here we go. Starting at, okay, 27th of July. What do we have? It's over here. 9 a.m. Starting bullish. But this trade was still technically supposed to be going. And then we switched to the downside until the rest of the day. So this day is pretty much over. We don't get a downswing until 17 o'clock, which the day is over by then. For us, we only work until no past 14 o'clock. So next day would be 28th of July, 9 a.m. This is odd because it crosses underneath each other. So no real entry here either. Okay, we're going to have to skip this day as well. 29th of July, 9 a.m. No entry as well, because price is going down, but it's not considered a bearish trend. So this day is over. Okay, a couple days without operating, it seems like, but hey, that's how the plan goes. So this day is valid. 30th of July seems to be bearish trend all day. So let's go to 30th of July. 30 right here, and starting at 9 a.m., which would be here. 9 a.m. We got to look for a trade that will make us go down, which we get that over here on this red candle right here. So let's enter a short position right here. Stop loss above this level. 37,000 multiplied by 2. That's our profit level. See how this goes. Not looking good. Okay, looking better. Not looking good again. It's barely hitting our take profit. Okay, there we go. I mean our stop loss. This one had a stop loss. Not to get ahead of myself here. Alright, well we gotta write it down. Entered at 9:50. Why is this... I guess we waited too long to enter. We didn't get a confirmation of the entry. Really? Did I just enter this wrong or something? No, yeah, we did enter correctly. Okay. So, yeah, whatever. I'll accept the loss. So, we entered this at what time? 9:50. And this was, what day is this? 30th of July, which is a Tuesday. This was the stop loss. Not applicable. Next. Alright. 31st of July, 9 a.m. is right here. No entry for the whole day, so we skip that. 9 a.m. on 1st of August now. Okay, now I'm going to need August calendar. I think it should be this. Yes, it is. Cool. 9 a.m. no entry. 10 a.m. we get our first entry, so let's go there. 10 a.m. on 1st of August. We're 1st of August over here. 10 a.m. is here. So from here, we gotta wait for a signal of entry towards the bottom, which it just does its thing, it seems like, over here. We don't get an upswing quite yet. This doesn't really count, does it? And the day is over. Okay, well, we didn't get an entry signal, unfortunately. What the heck did I just do? We didn't get an entry signal. And the day just finished with the whole price just continuing to move down. So unfortunately, I couldn't enter here. Next, we're looking at 2nd of August, 9 a.m. No entry at 9. We have an entry at 10. Same kind of thing. So let's go there. 2nd of August, 10 a.m. Alright, 10 a.m. Here we go. Now we can possibly enter. Seems like on this candle. Okay, so let's enter here. Short positions. Enter at the close of the candle. Stop loss would be above this level. 49. Multiplied by 2. It's 98. Looks great so far. And I think this hits, yes. Hits our take profit there. Could it have 1, 2, 3 have worked? Yeah, I could have. Could have worked down here. Or maybe not. Oh no, yeah, I would have. Okay, because it does keep dropping later out throughout the day. Anyways, I'll write this one down. We entered this trade at 10:25. And this was 2nd of August, which is a Friday. This is a 2%. Yes, a 1, 2, 3 would have worked. That's all. I'm going to take a drink of tea because my throat feels dry. Alright. Next day. Oof, very hot. What time is this? 11:20. We still have a possibility of entry, so I'm going to see if I can enter again on the same day, which we do get an entry over here on this candle, right? We were bullish switch over here and then a bearish switch over here, so that's an entry signal. We're still in the downtrend. At what time is this? 12? Yeah, we're still in the downtrend, so we can enter here. Short position. Close of this candle. Enter here, 29. 5,000 ticks above that. Stop loss, I mean the take profit is there now. Let's see how this one goes. Looks great. Stops here. The day is over, so let's let it ride. And it goes all the way till here. Okay, perfect. That's another winning trade we can write down. What time did I enter this? 12:30. Same day, Friday, 2%. So that's 4% in a day, not bad. Could have been a 1, 2, 3. Let me check this. Yeah, it could have worked. What time is this? 21 o'clock. Yeah, we'll draw out the 1 to 3. Which hits over here. So this would have all worked. 1 to 3 would have worked? Yes. Okay, there we go. Next day. August 3. Well, this one carries on till the next day, so not sure how this is going to look like. August 3rd. 9 a.m. Still considered in a downtrend. What time is this? 12? Okay. I'm gonna, unfortunately, have to reduce this. But you guys get the idea. 1 to 3 would have worked either way for both of these. But we're stopping it at 1 to 2. Let's go to 9 a.m. I think at 10 a.m. we're safe to enter here. Let's go to 10. Okay, we got the upswing, and now we're waiting for the downswing, which gives it to us right here. Okay, let's enter this one. Short. Enter here. Stop loss would be about, oh my gosh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we're using this level. Man, my voice is done today. Oh, look at that. Nice profit. Okay. And 1 to 3 would have absolutely worked. Yep. So let's write this down. Let's see. 11 a.m. This would be August 3rd, which is a Saturday. 2%. Yes, 1, 2, 3 would have worked. Great. Let's go back. 1 to anything would have worked, seems like. What time is this? 12:40. We can still enter. We have bullish flip over here, technically. No, not technically. So we can't really re-enter here. Price eventually does continue going down anyways, but we didn't get the bullish switch first. So, no entry. Let's go to the 4th of August to 9 a.m. Things change a little bit here. We get a possible entry at 10 a.m., so let's go there. 4 of August, 10 a.m., right over here. Whoops. But we got an entry right here at exactly 10 a.m., so that's perfect. We can enter here. Short position here. Stop loss above this level. This would be 21. Alright. Times 2. That's our profit. Looks great. Yeah, that definitely hits. And a 1 to 3 would have also worked. 9. There. Also, I did try using this strategy live on my main account. On my main account's demo account, that being. And I'll just tell you guys how the trade went. It had a similar movement to exactly this, right? It was on Bitcoin, and it was like 10 a.m., right? I entered, price went immediately down, and I used a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, but I used it on my demo account because I didn't care about my demo account's money. I risked $160 and made something like 400, what was it, 400, whatever the amount is, multiplied by 3, $480, right? Which was insane. And I just wish I did that on my main, like on my actual real account. But I was too scared to risk the 160 or something. I also didn't follow the 1% rule of risking my whole account's capital. So it didn't really matter to me anyway. I just went like, it's just a demo account. We'll just throw a couple hundred in there to risk. And it did a perfect job just like this. And I missed it, unfortunately. But it's oh well. What happens here? We're good at 11, 12, 13, 14 o'clock as well. 12. It's already 16 o'clock and no entry. Okay, next day. Did I write this down? Which day is this? August 4. I didn't write this down. Okay, let's write this down. I entered at 10 a.m. So it's a Sunday. 2%. Yes. Next. Okay. So, what do we have? 4th of August, 5th of August, 9 a.m. Right over here. No entry for the rest of the day. Okay, we skipped 5th of August. Or, yeah, 5th of August. Let's go to 6th of August. Right here. We can enter at 10 a.m. August 6th. So let's fly over there. August 5 still, August 5, August 5, August 6, right here, 10 a.m. Seems like we got an entry right here. Time is this? 10:05, that's an entry for us. Long position. Unfortunately, the Scott candle goes all the way up there. So that makes our distance to travel a lot further. Which, it's whatever, it's fine by me. Divide this by 2. See how this goes. Oh, it almost hits profit. I don't think it's gonna hit. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, no. Okay, it does hit. Eventually. That took too long, though. And I do not think a 1 to 3 would have worked. Oh, no, it could have. Absolutely could have. Yeah, it would have worked. Okay, 1 to 3 would have worked, but it's taking way too long regardless, so we'll leave it there. Let's write this one down. It's August 6th, so that's a Tuesday at 10:05. Alright. 10:05, Tuesday, 2%, 1 to 3 would have absolutely worked. Let's resume from the date that we, well, the time that we left off. This is 7:22 o'clock. And 9 a.m. is over here. Okay, let's go to August 8, see what happens here. So we completely miss out on August 7. We go to August 8, 9 a.m. What's going on here? We got uptrends at 10 a.m. onwards. So we gotta go... I mean, 9 a.m. technically counts as well, because it's starting up here, right? Barely missing the trend line. We could give a bit of leeway to that. So let's go to 9 a.m. Big jump at 8 a.m. 9 is right here. Well, that was 8:30. Big jump. What happened here? August 8, 8:30 a.m. We definitely got some fundamental news that made the price spike up, because usually U.S. economic data comes out at 8:30 in the morning on some strange days. This was a Thursday. What happened to Thursday, August 8? I don't even remember. But hey, it gave us a god candle, so no complaining there. Definitely changes the momentum upwards. So, we're waiting for 9 a.m. to enter, which is right here. We're looking for bullish movement until 14 o'clock, so end of day. We're safe here. What do you say? We enter this? No, we can't. We get a down movement here. Okay. After this down movement, we can enter, which is here. Seems a little large, but I think we can take it. Okay. Let's go long here. Stop loss would be here. 5,000. It would be 61 times 2. So that. So profit. Let's go. It's taking really long. Dangerously close to our stop, and it hits a stop loss eventually. On 9th of August. Alright, pal. Let's write this one down. Man, it really took that long. This was, I'll just write it down, 10/25. August 8, which is a Thursday. Minus 1% next. Our equity is looking really good. Was looking really good. I'll show you guys the Excel. So the equity we have right now is 10,800. We did reach a max of 10,900. Lowest point was 9,800. But just look at that. We recovered from that. And obviously, if these were 3%, all of the winning trades, a 1 to 3 would have worked, right? So if this was 3%, 3%, 3%, 3, 3, 3, we would be at 11,400. We did reach 11,500 as a maximum, which is really, really good. Man, I'm losing my voice. But yeah, I mean, so far it's really good. We're on August 8, just 20 more days, and we're done. And we're on trade 11. So you see, sometimes less is more, if you know what I mean. Less trades with a higher rate of return. We got 14% from just doing 1 to 3 trades, but we're keeping it 1 to 2. And I'm just noting down if a 1 to 3 would have worked. It seems like most of the time the answer is yes. So I feel safe with actually implementing a 1 to 3 risk-reward ratio on this type of strategy. Just for myself, my future self, my knowledge, you know. Anyways, this is a long time for an L trade. Let's move on to whatever this day was. August 9, 10:30. which is here. So from, yeah, the whole day, we get downtrend. Okay, so let's look for down movement, which we do see technically right here. After the trade is over, we see the entry on this candle. So let's do that. Down, short position, entering at the close of the candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. This is our stop level, 55. Times 2, so 111. There's our profit level. Let's see if this hits. Hang on, I'm getting notifications. Avalanche is down 10%. Cool. Don't care. Don't hold avalanche. And this one hits a stop loss as well, unfortunately. Alright. I have to write it down. So we entered at, what time was this? 10:40. This was August 9, which is a Friday. -1 next. I really should be doing this like on my main account. I'm feeling a lot more confident now that I'm doing a lot of backtesting, which is a good thing, right? That's what backtesting is. That's what it's there for, to help you, you know, get rid of that the psychological effects of trading, or that stigma of, oh, I don't want to lose too much money. You figure out that, hey, if I keep doing this consistently, religiously, yeah, you will eventually get some sort of profit. Not always, but, you know, it's still there. What time does this end? 20 o'clock, so our day is over. Let's go to August 10, 9 a.m. Starting down. We're in a downtrend until, yeah, 13 o'clock, so we're going to look for shorts for the whole day of August 10. Let me just find August 10. I've already passed it. Whoops. There we go. This is August 10? Yes. That's because I'm so zoomed out. Okay. 9 a.m. What time is this? I'm zoomed in too much now. We got a downswing over here. What time is this? 8:50. Can't really enter this in, can we? I mean, technically I could. But where would I put my stop? Above there? No, I wouldn't enter here then. Oh, we missed out on big movement downward anyway. Yeah, I decided not to enter there. We're waiting for an actual upswing like this, and then we can go down. Oh, that's a big up movement. And is the day over? No, not yet. We got downswing over here. Crazy long candles. 12 o'clock. Yeah, this is a decent entry. Let's short this. Candle closes here. Stop level is above one of these candles, so let's do this, 23. Alright, let's see. Does not look good. Still alive, still alive. Oh, there we go. Alright, so we lose over here, and it took so long too. Anyways, we entered 12:05. 12:05. This is 10th of August, which is a Saturday. I'm starting to think that the weekdays don't really matter anymore. Because any day could be different. Every day has volatility of some degree. Or maybe there is a correlation. I haven't really looked into it, so I don't know. I'm just drawing myself to conclusions too early here. -1%. There we go. August 10 is over. August 11. Let's go. Looks like a downtrend. 9 a.m. Okay, so downtrend all the way. 9 a.m. Let's go 7, 8, 9. So we already are in this down movement. So we got to wait for an up movement, which we get over here at 10 a.m. Now we wait for the down movement to enter, which it tells us to do so over here. So let's enter on this candle. Short position because we're in a downtrend. Stop level would be above this one. That is 15 times 2 is 30. There we go. Alright. Whoops. Yeah, keeps going down amazingly. ends at 14 o'clock, so the day is over here, and a 1 to 3 would have absolutely worked as well. Right there. Yeah, 1 to 3 seems to always work now for some reason. Alright, let's write this down. I'm dying. 10:35. What day is this? August 11. Sunday. Yeah, like, come on. I really don't think the weekdays have a big impact on here. So maybe for future backtesting, I could finally spend less time looking at this. But like I said, I have to actually review it to check if there is anything. Okay. Well, let's go back. I feel like I really want to blow my nose. You know what? I think I will. Just give me a sec, okay? I'll be right back. Yeah. Okay. Alright, back to this. Man, I got like that cold where you blow your nose and you're deaf in one of your ears. Like I can only hear out of my right. I can't even hear myself talk. Am I going deaf? Too much music. Darn funk. Okay. Where were we? 11th of August, winning trade. Day is over. Let's go to 12th of August. Did I write this down? Sunday, 11th of August. Yeah, we're good. I'm looking at a chart. Good. Okay, 12th of August, 9 a.m. is right here. No trend. No trend, no trend. The whole day, no trend. Okay. Cool. Here is an uptrend on 13th of August. So let's head over there. 13 August, still 12. Still 12. 13th of August is here at 9 a.m. Right here. So we're in an uptrend for the whole day. The whole day. Our whole operating hours at least. Okay, so let's find an upswing, which we are already in one. So we gotta wait for a downswing first, which... Is this a downswing? This looks like a downswing. Would have been. I guess not. Alright, whatever. This is a proper downswing. And now we wait for an actual upswing from this. Which we get here. Right here. What time is this? 11? Okay, we're safe. We're good to enter. Long position here. I feel like I could talk better now at least. But my throat is still sore. 8 plus 5 is 13. That's our stop level times 2 is 26. This is our take profit level. See how this goes. It goes really well. 1 to 3 could have worked. I don't think so. This might be the one case where 1 to 3 does not work. But hey, this stop loss was avoided. But eventually did hit. So a 1 to 3 would have not worked. But a 1 to 2 did work here. Okay. Let's write it down. Man, I'm deaf in my left ear. It's so annoying. 11:55 was our entry. Day is this 13th of August, Tuesday. 2%, and in this case, no. A 1 to 3 would not have worked. Okay. Alright. We end this trade at 12:45. we get a downswing here, and then we don't get an upswing until 15 o'clock, which our day is over by then, so we ignore that. 9 a.m. the next day, no real entry. Yeah, because this is just down. Maybe we do get an upswing, but I doubt it. 9 a.m., let's check it regardless. August 14. Yeah, no real entry. It's already in the upside at 9 a.m., so there's no downswing first. It takes actually a long time. But yeah, no, it doesn't count. The day ends over here. Next day, 15th of August, 9 a.m., right here. No trend. No trend. Well, yeah, no, that doesn't count. The day's over here. We did not operate past 14 o'clock. 9 a.m. is over here. On the 16th of August, let's go there. 15 still. Here's 16th of August, 9 a.m. We get downswing of the two moving averages, and we stay down all the way till 14 o'clock. So we look for a down movement. We get an up movement here, which is perfect, and then we get the down movement right over here. So that's our entry. Let me get that short position. Close of the candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, we're using this. This would be 33. I'm kind of yawning on purpose so I could unpop my ear so that I can finally get my hearing back. No, I'm perma-deaf or something. Oh, this is dangerous. Oh, it looks like it's going to take a long time too. Neutral territory, and it goes negative eventually. Right there. Jeez, and it took so long to ate up a whole day. Alright, we write it down still. Entered at 10:10. Oh, I'm not showing my graph. I'm sorry. That was a trade. Did not enter, so 10:10. $16. That was a Friday. And minus 1%. Whoops. There. Oh, alright. Yep. Next day. Right here. No entry. Yeah, no entry for the full day, it seems like. 18th, 9 a.m. We have an uptrend all day. Except for 13 o'clock. Uptrend all day except for 13 o'clock. August 18. This is 21 of August. Oh, this is August 8. Well, 17. Okay, 18 was not eaten up by that. Good. Let's go to 9 a.m. right over here. We're looking for an uptrend, so we gotta wait for the downtrend first, which is over here, and then we get the uptrend here. So that's our entry. Long position at the close of the candle. Stop loss would be below this level. Oh, that's dangerous. It looks like it already hits it. That's why we use the 5 ticks. This would be 11 then. Alright. And that seems like it saved it. Oh, no, it didn't. Oh, no, it did. Oh. Oh, okay. No, never mind. I mean, it did save it a couple of times, right? The first one being from this candle. These candles over here. It still stayed alive. Almost hit a take profit, but then eventually went down here. So, still a loss. We gotta write it down. What time is this? 10:45. I'm starting to notice as well the time frames. Wait, what did I figure out last time? 9 is good, 10 is good, 11 was mixed. 12 was good, and 13 was also mixed. We did not enter 13 here. Also because 13 we only entered once on the Ethereum backtesting, which was back here, sneak peek. 11 seemed to be not great. In this case, 11 is fine. 11 is really good. Yeah, I think it's good. 9 to 12. But I haven't found any entries at 13 o'clock yet, so yeah, I don't know. Okay, now I'm yawning for real, like I'm actually tired. I don't know why. It's 10 p.m. I'm fine. I've stayed up till later. 1910 August. Yeah, so the day's over here. Whoops. Let's go to the next date. What is this? August 18, August 18, August 19 is next. 9 a.m. No trend for the whole day. Alright, skip August 19 then. Let's go to August 20. 9 a.m., which is right here. Not in the trend for, yeah, the whole day, pretty much. No entry on August 20. August 21. August 21, we're in a down until 13 o'clock. So let's go to August 21. Right over here, 9 a.m. We're safe to enter. But we gotta wait for an upswing first, which we get over here. Now we gotta get a downswing, which we get over here. A lot of volatility. Here. So that's where we gotta enter, and it looks like it's gonna be a big stop loss. So I doubt this would be good. We're looking for shorts. What time is this? 10 o'clock? Yeah, we're good to enter at 10 o'clock. So this over here. 3, 4, 5. Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, okay, we're using this big candle, unfortunately. This would be 36 times 2, 73. There's our stop level. It goes upwards all the way, and the day is over. That's crazy. Okay. Did I not write this down? Oh my gosh, I am asleep today. I did not show my chart before. I didn't finish writing this down, apparently. 10:45? Yeah, that's where we entered. What day was this? August 18. August 18 was a Sunday. -1, because that was a losing trade. And then I just entered here, which I forgot to show. So I was waiting for this downtrend because we were in a down day, right? Entered over here at 10, what is this? 10:50. So I'll write this down, 10:50. This is August 21. Really? 21? It's been that long. That is a Wednesday. It's a -1 as well. Oh my gosh, I'm super tired. Alright, we're almost at the end. Just a couple more days. 7, 8, 9. Okay, no trend. The whole day, really? Yeah, whole day, no trend. Okay, fair. Go to 9 a.m. over here. No entry until 12. At 12 we get an entry. On August 23. Okay, let's go to right here. Remember, we're entering at 12, so that would be over here. And we're about to get an upswing. Right? Yeah, we got it over here. So this candle would be our entry, and it's 12:40. So let's enter this. Long position here. Oh no, not there. Here. And stop would be below 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So below this candle. Okay. Man. So it'd be 9 times 2 is 19. So take profit. Looks fantastic. And a 1 to 3 would have worked as well. Right there. Okay, cool. Let's write it down. Entered at, what did I say, 12:40? 12:45? Okay, fair. What day is this? August 23, that's a Friday. This is 2%, and yes, a 1 to 3 would have worked. stopped, okay, next day, I guess. What time does this end? 13:50, yeah, 14 o'clock of the day is done. I'll show my chart before I do anything crazy. So let's go to the next day. 9 a.m. We're in an uptrend for the whole day. Let's go to 24th of August. 9 a.m. So we got the downswing here. We entered the next upswing, which is here. Let's enter it. Stop loss is 1, 2, 3. Well, is this 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, it is. Okay. This would be 13 times 2. Oh, okay, I'm typing random stuff on the calculator here. There we go. 26. That's our stop loss and our take profit. Brings us over here. 1, 2, 3 could have worked. I think so. Yes, it could have. And it indeed did right over here. Huge trade. Okay. Let's write it down. We entered this one at 9:35, 24th of August is Saturday. What did I say? 9:35. I can't hear myself. It's crazy. What did I say? 24th of August is a Saturday. Okay. 2%. Yes, this would have worked. A 1 to 3. Still really good. Look at this equity. We're at the top level right now. 11,135. So far, decent rate of return as well. I'm liking this. All of this in 1 month. Maybe this just all has to do with this 1 month of August. Yeah, because I don't know how this would work in any other month. But so far, like, for the last month, it seems to have been working pretty fine. I'm feeling pretty confident to actually use this in a real strategy. Alright, cool. Let's go back to the charts. Stop talking. Okay. 12:25. We can still enter. If we get another downswing. Which we get over here. What time is this? 14 o'clock? The day is over. Never mind. So, no more entries for this day. Let's move on to the next day. No entries here until 14 o'clock. The day is already over. So let's move on to the 23rd of August, 9 a.m. No trend really. We're stuck in between the two moving averages, and we get downtrend confirm at 15 o'clock. The day is over. Moving on, 27th, 9 a.m. 9 we're in a downtrend, 10, 11, 12, until 13. Let's go to 27th of August. We can enter from 9 till 13, not past 13, because that trend already changes by then. Let's go to 9 a.m. right here. Good, sir. And we're looking for shorts. So we got an up movement right here. Let's look for a short. The next short is where we enter, well, the next down swing right here. So let's enter this short position here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, we're using this. 5 ticks is 21. Times 2 is 43. There you go. Saved us a little bit. I used this one, right? Yeah, that actually saved us pretty good. Anyways, we've been pretty flat, and oh, look at this. Huge drop. A 1 to 3 would have absolutely worked. I'm curious, where would this have reached? A 1 to 4 would have worked, imagine that. Okay. But we're not that fancy. We haven't found a super strategy like that yet. Can I please do exactly 1 to 3? There we go. Okay. And what time does this end? 17 o'clock? Yeah, the day is over. Okay. We entered this 10/10, 27th of August, which is Tuesday. Let's write this down, shall we? 10/10. Tuesday, I said. 2%. Yes, 1 to 3 would have worked. Yo, this is really crazy. 2%, I mean, 3% would have worked on most of these trades except for one, which could have been compensated by the next trade if it was a 1 to 3. That's insane. Insane stuff. Really good, really good. It's 27th of August, which is today actually, and the chart is over. Okay, cool. Our backtesting is done. Congratulations. It took us an hour, 14 minutes. Yeah, my streams have been taking an hour. It's also been a little exhausting. But I like to yap. Unfortunately, I am sick. So, this darn cold will not let me talk. Alright, so that ends there. Let's look at the results of our backtesting. Total, we did 20 trades, 20 attempts. Rate of return at the 2% is 13%. Let's see what it would have been at 3%. So it would have been this, -1. Yes, yes, yes. Wow, our equity increases a lot more too. And we would have achieved a 20% rate of return. Now let me just undo everything. Wait, hold on. Redo everything again? Okay, I also got to memorize 20%. We would have reached an equity of 12,000 with Solana in just 20 trades in 1 month. 22nd of July till today, 27th of August. Fantastic, isn't that? And, okay, I'll figure out the dates and everything after this. Hold on, let me just undo this to revert it back to the 2%. I mean, compare that, a 13% rate of return to a 20% rate of return if we're just using 1 to 3. It's significantly better. That's twice as good, right? Compare this to the other trades we did, 10% to 13%, and same thing with Bitcoin, I think. Oh my gosh, this is scrolling too hard. Oh, 10% to 17% actually, not too bad when I did the backtesting with Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I did 59 attempts, but that's because I did a lot of hours of operation. If I remove everything and only do the hours that I would normally do, which would be these, from basically 9 a.m. to 13, not 14. It would have been my rate of return. Whoops, let me just calculate this. It would have been 12% instead of the 10%. And if this was 1 to 3, it would have been, let me calculate this here. So this would have been 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Rate of return would have been 14%. Wait, that's actually worse. But yeah, you get the point. It's technically better to use a 1 to 3. What am I undoing? Redo. Okay. Attempts are good. Attempts are good here. Attempts are not in order over here for some reason. Smallest to largest. There you go. Okay. Cool. So yeah, that's all I have for this. I think I've improved this strategy quite a bit from that. Okay. So this is a cool rule that I learned as well. In Solana's case, you're going to want to use 5,000 ticks. So not every thing is going to be the same. Bitcoin, we used 500 ticks, I think it was. Or maybe it was 5,000. I don't know. I'll have to review my old stream again to see if it was 500 or 5,000 ticks. But 5 something ticks, 5 above whatever that the first two numbers are, is typically what I would use. So yeah, that's the idea. Alright. I don't know if tomorrow I'm going to test one more thing or not. I think I'm good to just start operating. The issue is that these time frames don't coincide with my stream time, so I won't be able to do these live anymore. That's the only bad thing. But I mean, I'd still be down to, like, do the crypto news or whatever. And yeah, that's what I think I'm just going to do, is just cover news at first. If we find any possible trades, I would enter them. Or if not, I will just review the trades that I did during the morning time. I think that's what I'm going to have to do. And probably say goodbye to this. Is this my... What is this? Yeah, this is my actual... No, it's not my actual workbook. But man, I did a lot of trades. Imagine that. And still I did Well, not that great, right? It's been 2 months, and I went from 10,000 to 11,200. I did reach 12,000 at one point, but I've just been dropping from there. Probably because I've been doing too many changes to my strategy, but now that I have one actually well-defined, I'm more than ready to use this in the actual market. Rate of returns have been approximately 4% per month. My mouse is dying. I can't click. Like, I'm highlighting these to click, and it's just auto-clicking on something else. Anyways, please donate money so I could buy another mouse, or else I'll just trade my way to that. Anyways, thanks so much, guys, for watching. Hope you're finding any of this insightful, useful, or pleasant to look at, and I hope it's not boring. I know it could seem boring, but hey, this is how you make money in 2024 with millions. Imagine this. Imagine this. If I gave you an equity of $100,000, you just made $13,000 in a month, for example, right? Could have been more if I used a rate of return of 1 to 3. Or if you gave me $1 million, I would have given you $135,000 back in a month. Not bad. Yeah. Anyways, you get the idea. It's all relative to whatever you compound on top of your volume. Alright, that's all. I'm closing everything. Thanks guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Pray for me to get better in health, and I'll see you next time. Yeah? Why do I have 3 alerts? I don't have 3 alerts. Why is this thing lying to me? And let's also hope for this Bitcoin thing to recover, because dropping down to 57,000 is ridiculous, honestly. Come on. We're market manipulation at its finest here. You can't escape the crypto market, because if you just look at every other market, everything is, well, not today specifically, but most other things have been in the green. Gold, of course, being on top. Bitcoin would have to follow, as we saw in the other post. That's what we're expecting, at least. Rate cuts in September. Elections November. Wait, did I miss October? September, October. What's coming in October? Nothing. Alright, well. It might be a down month for October or September. No, I think September will be an up month. Alright, that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.